Hey guys, Ryan here. Hey, I wanted to make a quick video and show you about an item that I think that every truck owner should have, just because it makes your life easier. So today I had to do some shopping and I went to buy some trim for the house. As you can see, I got 16-foot boards, 12-foot boards, and some 8-foot boards. And the item right here that I'm making the video about is called a truck bed extender. And what it does, come over here. You drop down, you see on the hitch receiver, it slides into your hitch receiver and it extends your truck bed. So then it goes out to this little platform that these uprights extend out, like say if I was carrying plywood or whatever it is. But in this situation, it's trim. And like I said, it carries my 12-foot boards perfectly and the 16-foot boards. And it saved me from having to load up my trailer and just the hassle of, you know, it wasn't necessary for me to take my trailer when I've got an easier option like this. I'm gonna drop a link to this in my description. And like I said, it's something that I think every truck owner should have. It's made my life easier. It'll make your life easier. The other thing that I use it for is when I'm hauling my kayak. It works perfect for that. You put it in there, strap it down, and you know, I'm not worried about it hanging out the end. But that's what I got. That's what I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.